I think the entire event was very nicely organized. Startup that actually pitched very intensive. We are being explored with a lot of new ideas, and then we see there's a lot of product market fit solution that's actually very creative and innovative. And then I think today has been a very challenging day for all the participants as well, because it's really a very stiff competition. The top 3 winners, I just want to congratulate them. They are very well deserved.
Very impressive. I think not just their product, but when they present, they make the judge trust that they can scale up to the global market.
The second is Bawa came. They're solving a problem which is having a device to be fixed to a walking stick for the blind.
We are certainly living in an environment where many cities especially has got all these air pollutant issues. That's why we also like Ibertech.
I'm more interested in Homa, I'm more interested in Bawa, I'm more interested in Hahao because it's actually helping on the education market.
As I mentioned earlier, it's really good to be able to see startups, 30 of them from 7 countries.
Particularly, I think the lineup are very good. My personal opinion is that maybe next time we could actually have segregated in different stages. There are some very early stages, there are some already in the market, there are maybe those who are already quite matured. Maybe that will create a more fair and transparent in terms of charging.
Hopefully, we see more of this next year and beyond. Hopefully, more startups, more participation. This can potentially drive the Selangor economy.